Hi, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a water stain using Zinsser B.I.N. If you want to purchase some of the tools or materials that were used for this task, please check out the links in the description below. And also, please feel free to check out my tool store. The links are also in the description below. Let's do this! This is the water stain that we're going to use the shellac based Zinsser B.I.N on. The tools and materials of choice for this task are some shellac based Zinsser B.I.N, Gyprock Easy Fill 60, a caulking board, a 3-inch filling knife, a multi-tool, some worn down 80 grit sandpaper. Also you might need a paint kettle, a paintbrush, a roller bucket, some emulsion and an extension pole. What we do is just scrape away any loose, give it a sand and then give it a dust off. Now we're ready to give it its first coat of Zinsser. Make sure you cover all the water stain and go a couple of inches over the water stain as well, just to make sure you get it all. The good thing about this Zinsser B.I.N is that it's dry within 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes I start to give it its second coat, and then this way I'm really making sure that I seal the water stain. See, once the second coat's dry, if you look close enough you can see some little indentations. So what I do is fill them with Gyprock Easy Fill 60. If you would like to know how to mix Gyprock Easy Fill 60, please click on the card on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once the filler's dry, give it a sand down and then give it a good dusting off, and then it'll be ready for having 2 coats of paint. And this is the water stain gone. And that is how to repair a water stain using Zinsser B.I.N primer. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and please feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.